Welcome back to Best Product Reviews. Here's a statistic worth leading with. Homes marketed with high-quality aerial photography sell up to 68% faster than listings using only standard ground-level photos. In a market where most buyers now start their home search online and decide whether to click into a listing within seconds, that aerial establishing shot genuinely isn't optional anymore. It's become a competitive necessity. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drones for real estate photography in 2026. One quick professional note before we start. If you're shooting real estate commercially rather than for your own personal home, you're legally required to hold an FAA Part 107 remote pilot certificate in the US. With that covered, let's jump in. At number 5, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you're an agent who needs something you can genuinely grab and go, tossed in the trunk between showings, ready for a quick aerial shot without a lengthy setup process, this remains the smartest portable option for agents, beginners, and quick-turn content across the entire category. Despite its lightweight sub-250-gram build, the Mini 4 Pro delivers genuinely impressive image quality for exterior establishing shots, capturing sharp detail that holds up well for MLS listings and social marketing alike. Its compact, foldable design is precisely why mini-class drones remain so popular among agent photographers specifically. It's easier to keep in the car, easier to deploy on short notice between appointments, and easier to justify carrying on every single listing, rather than reserving it for special luxury properties. It also carries omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, genuinely rare at this weight class, which matters when you're navigating around trees, power lines, and neighboring structures on typical residential lots. The honest trade-off compared to the pricier drones on this list is sensor size. A 1/1.3-inch sensor is solid, but doesn't match the larger 1-inch or 4/3-inch sensors found on the Air and Mavic lines, meaning slightly less dynamic range in genuinely challenging lighting, like bright midday sun against dark roofing. But for day-to-day residential listings where speed and portability matter more than squeezing out the last bit of image quality, it remains a genuine workhorse. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is perfect for real estate agents who want a quick, always-in-the-car aerial option, beginners building their photography toolkit affordably, and anyone shooting frequent, fast-turnaround residential listings. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Next up is the DJI Avata 2. Great exterior shots only tell half the story of a listing, and this is the drone specifically built to solve real estate's other big problem, capturing smooth, cinematic interior fly-throughs without the safety risk of flying an open-prop drone inside someone's home. The Avata 2 uses a Cinewhoop design with fully built-in propeller guards, making it a genuinely safer option for indoor drone work than any open-prop model on this list. You can fly it through a front door, past a kitchen island, and into a great room reveal without the same anxiety of clipping a wall, a light fixture, or worse, a piece of furniture. Piloted through FPV goggles, it captures that immersive first-person walkthrough feel that's become genuinely popular in premium listing videos, the kind of continuous flowing shot that would otherwise require an expensive gimbal rig and a skilled camera operator physically walking the space. This isn't a drone for exterior establishing shots or aerial photography. It's a specialized tool solving one specific job exceptionally well. FPV flying also comes with a genuine learning curve, so budget real practice time before you fly it inside an actual client's home. But for listings where a dynamic interior walkthrough video would genuinely differentiate a property in a crowded market, nothing else on this list replicates that capability. The DJI Avata 2 is perfect for agents wanting cinematic interior walkthrough videos, luxury and high-end listings that benefit from a dynamic property reveal, and photographers who've already invested time in learning FPV flight. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Keeping it going with the Autel EVO Lite Plus. For real estate photographers specifically looking for a genuine alternative to DJI, this remains the most credible non-DJI option, delivering professional-grade features at a genuinely reasonable price. Autel builds this drone around a full 1-inch sensor, capturing 6K video, delivering real dynamic range that holds up well for the exact lighting challenges real estate photography constantly presents, balancing bright exterior skies against darker roof lines and shadowed building facades in a single frame. Flight time reaches a solid 40 minutes, giving you real breathing room to circle a property multiple times, capture different angles, and wait for clouds to move without constantly cycling batteries mid-shoot. Autel's autonomous flight and obstacle detection features are broadly comparable to DJI's mid-range offerings, making it a genuinely competent tool for typical residential exterior work. The honest limitation is a single fixed focal length, rather than the multi-lens flexibility of drones like the Air 3S, and its obstacle sensing isn't quite as sophisticated as DJI's more advanced systems, so it's better suited to open residential lots than tightly obstacle-dense commercial properties. But for real estate professionals who specifically want to diversify their gear away from a single manufacturer, or who simply prefer Autel's ecosystem, it remains the strongest non-DJI pick in this category. The Autel EVO Lite Plus is perfect for real estate photographers who want a credible non-DJI alternative, anyone shooting primarily open residential properties, and photographers who prioritize sensor size and dynamic range at a reasonable price point. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. The runner-up is the DJI Air 3S. Across nearly every source we cross-referenced, this comes back as the safest, most consistently recommended overall pick for real estate professionals, sitting exactly in the sweet spot between portability, image quality, flight time, safety features, and price that day-to-day listing work actually demands. The dual camera system is genuinely the killer feature for this specific use case. A wide-angle lens for sweeping property establishing shots paired with a telephoto lens that solves a real common problem in real estate photography. Very wide lenses tend to exaggerate distance and distort building facades, making homes look stretched or oddly proportioned. A tighter telephoto composition creates far more flattering, natural-looking exterior shots, compresses space more realistically, and lets you isolate specific features like a pool, a dock, or a guest house without needing to fly uncomfortably close to structures or property lines. Built around a genuine 1-inch main sensor, the Air 3S captures the dynamic range needed to balance bright skies against shadowed building details, and flight time reaches a comfortable 45 minutes per battery, letting you complete a full property shoot without excessive battery swapping. Full omnidirectional obstacle sensing means you can confidently navigate trees, power lines, and neighboring structures on typical residential and even moderately dense commercial lots. For the overwhelming majority of working real estate photographers, this is genuinely the safe, smart, professional-grade recommendation. The DJI Air 3S is perfect for real estate professionals who want one versatile drone for the majority of their listings, photographers who need flattering, distortion-free property compositions, and anyone who wants the best overall balance of image quality, safety, and flight time in this category. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. And the best one is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, for top-tier luxury listings where image quality is genuinely everything. This is consistently described as the undisputed king of real estate drones, the tool professional photographers reach for when a property's price tag demands photography that matches it. The flagship 4/3 Hasselblad branded main sensor delivers genuinely stunning image quality with strong dynamic range and flexible lens options that produce crisp, richly detailed stills, exactly the kind of image quality that makes a luxury waterfront property or sprawling estate look every bit as impressive online as it does in person. Multiple real estate-focused reviewers specifically praise its large sensor and lens flexibility as the deciding factor for premium work, where the difference between good and exceptional aerial photography can genuinely influence how a multi-million-dollar listing is perceived by potential buyers. Battery life reaches an industry-leading 46 to 51 minutes depending on configuration, giving you real time to thoroughly document an expansive luxury property, its grounds, and surrounding amenities in a single outing. Full obstacle avoidance and professional-grade transmission range round out a package genuinely built for demanding commercial work, not just casual hobbyist flying. At a genuine premium over every other drone on this list, it's an investment best justified by photographers and agencies specifically working the luxury and high-end commercial segment, where the cost is easily offset by even a single premium listing. But that specific market, though, nothing else currently matches the image quality this drone delivers. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is perfect for photographers specializing in luxury and high-end listings, commercial real estate professionals who need the sharpest possible image quality, and agencies where premium aerial photography directly justifies the investment. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching. That's our top 5 best drones for real estate photography in 2026. Whether you want a quick grab-and-go option with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, cinematic interior walkthroughs with the DJI Avata 2, a strong non-DJI alternative with the Autel EVO Lite Plus, the safest all-around professional pick with the DJI Air 3S, or flagship luxury-grade image quality with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, there's a genuinely great pick on this list for your listings and your budget. And remember, if you're shooting commercially, that FAA Part 107 certification isn't optional. It protects both you and your clients, and it's the foundation of building a genuinely professional real estate photography reputation. If this video helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe to Best Product Reviews. Drop a comment below letting us know what kind of listings you shoot and which drone you're going with. We'd love to hear from you. All product links with the latest pricing are in the description. Thanks again for watching, and happy shooting!